The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu shared her journey from Rairangpur, her birthplace in Odisha, to Rashtrapati Bhavan in an exclusive interaction with the Union Minister of Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, in the concluding episode of Nayi Soch Nayi Kahani, a radio journey with Smriti Irani on Akashvani. The special episode was recorded at Rashtrapati Bhavan and broadcast on the occasion of World Radio Day today. The President shared numerous of experiences, beginning with her childhood to becoming a public figure. She fondly described the story behind her name, which was given to her by her school teacher. The President delved into her educational, professional and political journey. She shared her experiences of interacting with the masses as the President of India.